Here we have a problem on logarithm, that is find the value of log to the base 2 log to the base 2, again log to the base 3, log 27 to the power of 3 to the base 3. Okay, so to find the value of the given logarithmic expression, what I am going to do is, first I am going to find the value of this particular part, that is log 27 to the power of 3 to the base 3. So log 27 to the power of 3 to the base 3. So we can use third fundamental law of logarithm, that is we can get this exponent 3 in front of logarithm. Then we get 3 log 27 to the base 3. Okay, in the next step what we can do is, 27 is the exponent of 3, so 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3. So here the base is 3. Again this exponent, we can get this exponent 3 in front of this logarithm. So already there is 3, so if this exponent 3 comes in front of the logarithm, we'll get 3 times 3 log 3 to the base 3. Here the base and argument both are equal, so the value of this logarithm is 1. So 3 times 1, which is equal to 9. So the value of log 27 to the power of 3 to the base 3 is equal to 9. Okay, now we can substitute. So this one here, log to the base 2, log to the base 2, log 3. For this one we can substitute 9. Okay, in the next step what we can do is log to the base 2, log to the base 2, and 9 can be written as 3 square to the base 3. Okay, in the next step we get log to the base 2, log to the base 2, 2 log 3 to the base 3. Okay, so log to the base 2, log to the base 2. So the value of this logarithm is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So we get log 2 to the base 2. So we get log to the base 2. Again the value of this logarithm is 1, because here the base and argument are equal. So log 1 to any base is equal to 0. So the value of the given logarithmic expression is 0.